Summer Solstice Energy Crystal Collection, now 35% off. Let's go and explore them together, shall we? Okay. Hi, buttons. What are you going to do? All right. So, what do Summer Solstice Energy crystals do for you? Ignite a joy, abundance, positivity, raise your inner vibration, connect with your inner self. And here we are. The link to this particular collection is down below in the show notes. Don't need a code. So we have, look at these beauties, yellow, calcite. Bring in the energy of the sun. Clear quartz helps to magnify the energy of all other crystals and protects you from psychic attack and negativity. We have yellow fluorite, known as the genius stone. Who doesn't want more of that information? So what happens when you add to cart? Just showing you, there's my mouse button, showing you here's the information. See? It already shows you the amount off. Okay. Don't want it? No problem. We can go over here and close that for now. So let's go back. I would like to show you, and I'm showing you, the overall of this collection. So clear quartz, all from Brazil. The yellow fluorite is from Brazil, Mexico. There we go. Not too fast. Golden healer, palm stones, Madagascar. What does golden healer do? It's actually with hematoid, it also known as yellow hematoid quartz. The base for these pieces is quartz, along with the hematite, which changes the color to yellow, which is amazing to me because hematite is more like a charcoal gray, almost black. So these golden healers have the energy of clear quartz, so it magnifies the energy. Solar plexus, sacral chakra, more solar than others because of the yellow. And if it's a little bit darker, then you will also have the sacral chakra connection. So sacral chakra, what is your relationship with your dreams, your desires, your goals, and with your money, with your financial status? Financial status. So this can help you raise your inner vibration as well as ignite, reconnect you with your magnetic attraction beam. These are definitely more solar plexus because of the yellow in here. This one is, you could even have this one to be more root chakra a little bit because of the darker tones, as well as the sacral and then the solar plexus. Golden healer crystal clusters. Aren't these gorgeous? Look at that. Just make that a little bigger and so you can see, okay, here it comes. These are good palm size clusters. There we go. And these photographs are pretty good, but they don't do it total justice. These will have even more points of attraction, raising your inner vibration, clearing out and balancing your chakras, especially your sacral and your solar plexus. When you are more in alignment with who you are and what you're doing, then it is easier, simpler, and more quick to actually manifest what you're going for, your intentions. We also have a couple of obelisks in Golden Healer. Now these are golden fluorite. See, we have 2 golden healer obelisks left. And when these pieces are with their new family, with their new person, I'm not going to be restocking any of these. Okay, we have more yellow fluorite. These have some amazing darker red colors. So these yellow fluorite not only have your solar plexus and your sacral, but also your root chakra, which are nice. Some more golden healer palm stones, yellow calcite. Oh my gosh. Manifestation. Most of these crystals are all about positivity. And when we're in a positive mindset, our energy, our thoughts, and our emotions, we are more likely to speed up the manifestation of what it is we want. Yellow jasper. I love spheres. This is natural. I love that. Okay, so we have just a couple of those. So you can hold these pieces while you are reading, studying, watching your favorite programs during your meditation. You can put them on your desk. You can put them on your nightstand. Here's a cute little, excuse me, obelisk, yellow fluorite with lots of red in it. We have just one left of the golden yellow dog tooth calcite, also known as stellar beam. Calcite, definitely a stone of manifestation, as well as helping to connect you to the astral plane, to your higher self, your higher consciousness. Mukite, supreme nurturer, nurture your desires, nurture your manifestations and your dreams. These beauties, this one, well, this one has some yellow in it as well. So you have yellow and purple mukite. So your crown chakra, as well as your solar plexus, root chakra, and sacral. This one is primarily yellow, all yellow. So it would definitely resonate and align with your solar plexus and sacral. We also have peacock ore, also known as chalcopyrite, and this will help to align, clear, cleanse, balance, and align all of your chakras simultaneously. How do you use this piece in particular? You can hold it next to your belly, to your manifestation, your solar plexus. What I like to do with it is to hold the chalcopyrite, the peacock ore, above my crown chakra and go slowly all the way down my body, all the way down to your root chakra, and then back up. About this slow or a little bit slower. And the reason I like to start at the top of my crown chakra is because by the time I start from my root chakra and go all the way up, my arm gets tired. And so then my conscious mind is like, ay, 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 my arm is tired, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So you can do those. These are all 35% off through June. And some of my favorites. These rutile or rutilated quartz, look at that. You can see some of the golden threads. So rutile, these are from Brazil. You have quartz, which magnifies the energy, yes? Magnifies your energy, your intentions, as well as protect while you're in that meditative state, while you are focusing on your intentions. And the rutile can be white, black, or gold. And this one is a little easier to see if I don't roll over it. This one over here on the side. Okay, let's go ahead and do this so you can see it a little more clearly, I'm hoping. Yeah, there we go. So this one has mostly white. You have a little bit of gold here, and then we have the black. So what do these threads do? These threads help magnify even more the energies for manifestation, for wealth expansion. Who doesn't want a little bit more wealth in their life? And wealth can come in a whole lot of different places and ways. So there we have it. Okay, these are rutile. And then we have some points of the clear quartz here. You have any questions, and let me know in the comments. If you'd like help to choose your crystals, great. If you'd like to come and see what the whole shop is about, come to the front page, which is angelladycrystalsboutique.com. And these are the featured crystal collections for this month of June 2025. Yeah. Okay, so the singing bowls are also discounted. We have beautiful amethyst, pink amethyst angel wings. These are huge. And we also have our ritual tools. All are already marked down. Let me see. Yes, just I'm getting some last minute guidance here from y'all. So these are already discounted, looking for their new forever homes. Okay, so you bounce onto here, Angel Lady Crystals, okay? And where do you find, okay, it's thinking, where do you find the Summer Solstice? Right here. Or you can just go below in the show notes and click that link. All right. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul. If you've any questions about any of the crystals, let me know. I'm happy to answer them. Have an amazing day. Remember, you are loved and treasured beyond measure, and your dreams matter.